What I wish I knew in 6th grade about sneezing. It's more than just an achoo. When dust, allergens, or germs invade your nose, your body fights back. Sensitive nerve endings send a signal to your brain and voila, you sneeze. This reflex sends air blasting out of your lungs at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. And get this, one sneeze can release up to 40,000 droplets. So sneezing into your elbow or a tissue is a must to keep germs in check. Sneezing also helps reset your nasal environment. It's like hitting the reboot button for your sense of smell. So the next time you sneeze, remember, your body's just doing some spring cleaning. Gesundheit.